Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the AOC 24G4 monitor and sharing the best settings to optimize it for 2025. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or just someone who loves crisp visuals, getting these settings right can make a huge difference in your experience. First off, let's talk about why the AOC 24G4 is still a top pick. It's got a 24-inch display with a 165Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond response time, perfect for fast-paced action. But to really unlock its potential, you need to tweak the settings in the on-screen display (OSD) menu. Starting with the basics, set your brightness to around 50%. This strikes a balance between vibrant visuals and eye comfort, especially in well-lit rooms. Next, bump up the contrast to 75%. This enhances depth in colors without washing out details, making games and movies pop. For color temperature, go with the warm setting at 6500K to reduce blue light and prevent eye strain during long sessions. Don't forget gamma. Set it to 2.2 for accurate color representation, which is ideal for most modern content. Now, for gaming-specific tweaks, enable overdrive at the medium level to minimize motion blur without introducing artifacts. If you're playing in low-light conditions, adjust the black equalizer to 50% for better visibility in dark scenes. And if your monitor supports it, turn on FreeSync or G-Sync if you have a compatible graphics card to eliminate screen tearing. Remember, these are starting points. Every setup is different, so fine-tune based on your environment and preferences. Test these in your favorite games or apps to see the improvements. If you try this out, drop a comment below with your thoughts or any tweaks you made. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.